Hey, Mr. Reed, what's your cousin name that referred me to you again?
Henrietta.
Miss Etta.
Henrietta.
Okay.
Henrietta Williams.
All right, Miss Williams. All right, awesome. Thank you so much. Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday. So my last day working for the week. I am actually going on a little out of state vacation this weekend. So today's Thursday. I'm out here in beautiful Villa Rica. This is a gated lake community, and it's a large community. So this is my new client, and he was referred to me by his cousin, Miss Williams. She's in Snellville. I did her floors about a year ago, and her cousin moved from California to this home that we're about to do now. So we had a little delay in the schedule this morning, not with us, but with the movers. The movers got confused with the job. So one of the movers just got here, and my guy Tavares is actually giving him a hand. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, on this floor is just a screen and recoat. Floors are not bad, but they do need some good protection on them. And he's going to be going with the UV cure system. So we're going to be UV curing this floor also with RadCoat. I got some good feedback from my job yesterday that I did in Fayetteville on Monday. She also said, Miss Chrissy said the floors came out great. They got the furniture moved back with no issues. So guys, let me flip this around and show you what I'm going to be doing today. Guys, so we're in Villa Rica, Georgia, a little bit past Douglasville. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Reed. Again, he was referred to me by his cousin, Miss Williams, who I did her floors in Snellville about a year ago. And the job that I did yesterday in Loganville, she called me, texted me last night, and she was so happy with the floors. All right, guys, so it's a small job. I think it's like 600. Let me look at my, so this is gonna be Mr. Reed. This is like 687 square feet, red oak floors. And what we're going to be doing, so the guys are doing now, oh yeah, they almost got, so they're basically, it's not a lot of furniture. It's these pieces right here. That's one of the movers right there. That's Tavares, my guy. So these are the floors what we're going to be doing, guys. So right here, especially in those high traffic areas, see a lot of worn, see a lot of the grain missing, but that's nothing we can do about that. And then throughout here, through the kitchen, also back here. Now guys, when you start to see this is just really the grain of the wood. It's just going. So again, the new finish will help fill that in, but you can't replace grain. So, but we're gonna get this smoothed down really good. Also this dining room table, this area right here. All right, in this whole area right here. All right, guys. So we're gonna I'm gonna give them a hand too with the furniture moving because they're waiting for another guy to get here and get these floors knocked out. So as you can see, it's not a big job at all. Just a kitchen, a sit-in dining room with the living room and the little hallway. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got a good screen on this job, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and get the first coat down, get some good protection on this floor. Is gonna start with Aqua-Pro. Oh, Tavares, give me a little trim pad. I think I got one of them in them bags. Yep. So we're gonna get the first coat down. We're gonna start off with Aqua-Pro, and then gonna put RadCoat on top, and then UV Cure. And I just ordered me and Tavares some lunch. Sometimes guys, clients let us DoorDash. So sometimes I just DoorDash so I don't have to leave the premises and just chill out in the garage or in the van. So eat lunch. All right, guys, go ahead and get started putting the first coat down. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, got the RadCoat ready. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and take a look at these floors. All right, let's go take a sneak peek. Last time I checked, about 30 minutes ago, they was looking really, really good. All right, guys, had a few consultations, new consultations come in, wax removal, screen and recoat. I also have people that find me online, and then they need like wood floor replacement or sanding, and I have some network partners I refer them to. But wow, guys, look at these floors now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. Now back here, remember what you're looking at. See how it looks gray? That's just the grain is gone. So that's not the actual hard part. That's the soft grain of the wood, like a high traffic area. Man, this came out really good. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get the RadCoat down, and then let that dry, and then get it UV cured. Beautiful. All right, guys. All right, got the RadCoat going down. It's going down really good. Got the air turned off. Don't want to speed it up too much. It's going down really, really good. Oh yeah. Make sure you get a nice smooth finish. Start hearing that swoosh sound. Time to get some more poly on the floor, on the roller. Get that roller loaded. I am using a 3/8 nap. Lays down really good. Doesn't hold a lot of finish like some naps do. You want to release the finish more than you want to hold it. We're not painting a wall. We're trying to get a really good thick finish on a floor. Not too thick, because you can make the finish too thick where it's too flexible. And I learned that by putting too much finish on the floor last year, and I had to go rescreen it because it was too flexible, and where her dogs were lifting up themselves, the nails was causing the finish to separate from the floor. It wasn't scratching off, it was just separating, just coming up like plastic just raising off the floor. So you do want to make sure you feather as you're rolling, or either T-barring. Always want to make sure you're feathering. Get a nice, consistent, smooth finish on the floor. And I try to go, as you see, I try to go with the grain as much as possible. All right, so the air is off. 3/8 nap finish, roller. Finish is going down really good. Yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful finish when we're done. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Got the curing going. Floors look amazing. My client was just telling me about this community, man. This community is in Villa Rica. It has golf courses. It has its own beach. It has lakes. So yeah, this is my first time out here. Like I said, this client was referred to me by his cousin, Miss Williams, because they moved from here from California. But man, this is a huge, unique community, because we saw all types of different houses and layouts. So, but yeah, man, we're very grateful for the opportunity. All right, guys, I'm going ahead and get this floor UV cured. As you can see, finish came out amazing. I want to keep that between the 20s and the 30s. And I must say, man, I've been getting a lot of great feedback from previous clients that have gotten the UV service. One of my biggest job I did, he actually had me come back a couple weeks ago to give him an estimate on the gym that's in back of the house. You guys remember that house that I did? It was a 2-day project. It was actually used in, it was on MTV Cribs. It used to be a museum, and it was also used in, Vampire Diary. And it was a 2-day job. It was actually my biggest UV job. And then one of my clients, Miss Avery, I'm going next week to do her stairs. I did her floors back in March and UV cured. And she said, Courtney, this floor is looking and holding up so good. And she has dogs too. That's why they got it done. She wants to get the UV cure on the stairs. So I'm going to be doing that next week. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish UV curing this floor. Stay tuned. Alright guys, almost done. I just had Mr. Reed, the homeowner, come upstairs and he said, yeah, that looks nice. So again guys, this is a great system. Movers will be back in about 30 minutes. So I'll be done in about 10 more minutes. And this is a, the UV is a great system to, get the furniture back. They don't have dogs. But one thing that Mr. Reed wanted to do is just get the house back in order. And same day guys, so able to do this the same day. Nice beautiful sheen on this floor. And this is the benefit of the RadCoat system. Just like when women go get their nails done, they put their nails under that light, the UV cure. And as you guys see, most of my videos, most of the floors, the clients don't want to change the color. This is a great screen to recoat, is a great option. And then added with the UV, furniture, dogs, kids, pets. Well, dogs is pets. All back on the floor same day. Great durable finish. And a lot of my clients definitely think it's worth the investment. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Finish UV curing. Thanks again. See you in the next one.